Hello, and welcome to Chesapeake Technologies training series videos entitled SonarWiz Quick Start. This is the first video in this series, and we will be discussing downloading and installing the latest version of SonarWiz, which is SonarWiz 8. The first step in this process is to navigate to the chesapeaketech.com website, find the support menu, and choose the Downloads page. Here you'll find the latest version of SonarWiz. You'll also find sample datasets, release notes, as well as the user guide. To download the latest version of SonarWiz, just simply click on this link. The download will begin, and this will default to your Downloads folder. After the installer has finished downloading, locate where it is stored on your computer, and you can simply double-click on the executable file. Alternatively, you can right-click and choose to run as administrator, and the installation wizard will begin. Simply follow the instructions in the setup wizard, and when it's finished, it will place a shortcut icon on your desktop. Locate the icon on your desktop, double-click on it, and if you have a license, SonarWiz should open. If you do not have an active license installed with SonarWiz, the License Not Found dialog will appear. SonarWiz offers three types of licenses. The first we will discuss is an evaluation license. If you have applied for an evaluation license, then you will have received an email from Chesapeake Technologies with your evaluation number. By clicking this button, this window will pop up and you can enter your evaluation code here. Another option with SonarWiz licensing is an electronic DFL. This is a purchased option, and if you have applied for an electronic license, you will receive an EMA letter, most likely through an email. This is your extended maintenance agreement, and in the top of this letter, you will have your license serial number and your EMA and the expiration date. To operate SonarWiz using this license, open up your CTI License Manager from the Start menu. Choose the Activate button, accept the agreement, and enter your license ID and your license key in this box here. There's a third option for SonarWiz licensing, and that is a USB dongle-based license. Simply plug the dongle into your USB port on your computer and open SonarWiz. Once the program opens, you can confirm that your license is installed correctly. To verify that you have an active SonarWiz license, inside the SonarWiz user interface, locate the Help tab on the ribbon. Click on the My Support Info button, and the My Support Information page will appear. On this page, you will find information about your license, the serial number, the expiration date, and the version of SonarWiz you are currently using. If you need more help or assistance, go to our website, chesapeaketech.com. Here, on the Support tab, choose the Help Desk option, and you can submit a help request, and our dedicated support team will assist you as soon as they can. Thanks for watching.